video review for the Smeg Tumble dryer. When you turn it on, you get the nice inviting light, makes loading and unloading nice and easy. The drum is massive, 8 kg load total. Link catcher in the bottom. Separates out for nice easy emptying. Because this is a condenser tumble dryer. At the top you have the water reservoir. This needs emptying after each use. There is a way to plumb it in round the back so that you can avoid doing that. All the main functions controlled by this twist dial. Nice and easy, loads of different settings to use. And if you want to, you can personalise each one of them by adjusting the drying level, creasing, and you can add an ending time quite easily. Keep pressing the button, half-hour increments. Press start and that will start at your desired time. Reasonably quiet when it runs. Overall, really nice product, really well built, and the low capacity is fantastic.